my channel Young Chef Urundai. In continuation of the Kari Vadai video, today I will be showing you guys how to make Kari Vadai Masala, popularly known as Urundai Kari Kozhambu. And to make this you will need Kari Vadai Masala, and to that video the link is there in the description down below. As it's very tedious to make it, as the process is very tedious, I will be taking help from a special guest, my grandmother. Welcome, Mama.
Hello, Adi. How are you?
Good. How are you? She will be the chef, and I will be the assistant and also learn from this master. For the Kari Vadai Masala, let's see what all do we need. For the Urundai Kari Kozhambu, you will need some fennel seeds, quarter cinnamon stick broken into pieces, little tamarind, 3 cloves, onions, roughly chopped tomatoes, 3 tablespoons scraped coconut, 2 tablespoons coriander powder, half tablespoon chilli powder, salt and turmeric powder as per taste, and Kari Vadai balls, Kari Vadai mixture made into balls, link in description, some roughly chopped tomatoes, finely chopped onion, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, coriander leaves, and some fennel seeds. This set will be this set is used to make the paste, and this will be used for the masala. Amma ipo enna pananum?
இந்த கோகனட் இந்த தக்காளி இது எல்லாத்தையும் தூக்கி மிக்ஸில போட்டு அரைக்கணும்.
Okay.
ஒவ்வொண்ணா எடுத்து போடு.
So now we have to add the coconut scrape in the mixie, the coriander powder, 2 tablespoons, half tablespoon chilli powder, and the tomatoes, cloves, onions, tamarind, fennel seeds, and cinnamon stick, and grind it. She's mixing it. Now the paste is grinded and ready. It's time to make it into a masala.
வடை சட்டி வச்சு எண்ணெய் ஊற்றணும். எண்ணெய் ஊற்றினதுக்கப்புறம் இந்த ஆனியன் இதெல்லாத்தையும் போட்டு நல்லா வதக்கணும். வதக்குனதுக்கப்புறம் இந்த மசாலா தூக்கி போடணும். அவ்வளோதான். அப்புறம் கொஞ்ச நேரம் ஊறணும்.
So the oil is hot now. Let's first add the fennel seeds, then the onion, then the ginger garlic paste, and mix it. And then add the coriander leaves and the tomatoes and saute it. And then saute it. It will at least take 3 minutes. So now I'm gonna open it and put the masala that we made. Make sure to give it a good mix, and it gets mixed well with the tomatoes. And now I'm adding some turmeric powder. And some salt. And mix it well again. So now I'm gonna close it with the lid and leave it for 5 minutes. I have this water that is washed after the blend. I'm gonna add it to the masala and then mix it well. And close it and leave it for 5 minutes. My grandma tasted it and it was thick, so we have to add some more water. and mix it well. Close it and keep it for 5 minutes. அம்மாமா நான் இப்போ ஓபன் பண்ணட்டுமா? 5 minutes ஆயிடுச்சு.
அந்த கொத்தமல்லி வாசம் அடங்கின உடனே நம்ம திறக்கலாம். இப்போ ஓகே, திறக்கலாம்.
After the smell of the coriander is gone, then we can open it. So now I'm gonna open it. And now I'm gonna take the I have these mutton keema balls which I'm gonna put in. The recipe for that is in the link in description. Do not put it inside. Do not put it inside if it's not boiling, because it will break if you put it in before it's boiling. I put the ball in and now I'm gonna close it for 3 minutes. It has been 3 minutes and the mutton keema balls is ready and boiled. So my Urundai Kari Kozhambu is ready. So now I will transfer it to a bowl. Now it is tasting time.
இந்த குழம்பை வந்து சப்பாத்திக்கு, தோசைக்கு, இட்லிக்கு எல்லாத்துக்குமே போட்டு சாப்பிடலாம்.
This masala can be eaten with rice, chapati, parota, idli, dosa, a lot of things. So now it is tasting time. The masala is awesome with rice. It is nice when it's served hot. It is really good when it's spicy. And
எப்படி இருக்குது தம்பு?
செமையா இருக்கு. இந்த கறியும் சூடா சாப்பிட்டா செமையா இருக்கு. It's really nice when you eat it hot. It's exactly like the Tunisian meatballs, and it's nice when it's served hot. It's really good when it's spicy. Don't forget to try it, like it, share it.